everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create this soft beautiful look using only the makeup products that I bought recently. All are new products that I have not used before. I wanted to experiment them and use them and share my reviews with you at the same time. So if you want to know what these products are, then please keep watching. So my face is clean and we can start off with the first product, which is the Mars Hydra Glow Primer. This is supposed to be a primer as well as a hydrating lotion. So let's see how it works. It definitely has the bubblegum smell to it. It's not too strong, but you can smell bubblegum. But let's see how it works as a primer. The glow is definitely there. It is slightly sticky, feels like a heavy moisturizer, but I think that's a good thing. I think that's why it would work well as a primer. It is feeling sticky. So let's move ahead with the next items. The next item is something that I have actually used before, but in a different shade. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. Normally I use the shade 230, which is natural buff, but because of the apparent tan on my face, I think 310 will work better. Yes, I feel 310 is definitely a better shade for me with this tan. I'm not going to use any concealer because I did not buy a new concealer. So I'm just going to make do with my foundation itself. The next product is again from Maybelline Fit Me. It is their compact powder in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So it has this sponge here, but I don't think I'm going to use that. In fact, I'm going to use my next new product, which is the Pizza Puff from PAC. So I'm going to take some of that compact powder on my puff and set my under eyes. Wow, I really love this compact. I don't know why I didn't use it so many days. It's so good. Can you see how it has mattified my under eyes and also even toned it? So the next thing that I have is the mini eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. in the shade Berry Bad. Okay, this is what it looks like. And I am going to start with the lighter shade here as a transition shade. To be frank, I actually thought that these eyeshadows would be really powdery and there'll be a lot of fallout, but it's not like that. It's actually good. I'm impressed. Next, I'm going in with the darker shade here, this one. So there are two matte shades, this one and this one, both at the ends, and the middle two shades are shimmery. I'll swatch all of them for you to see. Next, I'm taking this shimmery shade right here. Next, I'm going to take a small brush and use the same dark shade and put it under my eyes. Wow. That is definitely pigmented. Beautiful. Next, of course, I have to do my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use my new eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. only thing I'm worried about is that it is pointed right now because it is new. But what if it becomes blunt over the time? Will it still work fine? I'm not sure about that. I think I can only answer that after using it a few times. So stay tuned. Next up, I also bought the mascara from e.l.f. So I bought a lot of e.l.f. products actually. A couple of more are coming. So this one is the mascara, length and volume black waterproof. So let's try it out. This is how the spoolie looks like. It's kind of a dome shaped. It is definitely separating out my eyelashes really well. It is also giving them a good curl. But on the volume addition part, I'm not very sure. Not bad actually. It can definitely be your everyday use, day out kind of a mascara. But for festive occasions or events like weddings, I would rather go for a mascara that would give me more volume. But this is not bad. Definitely a good mascara. Next up, I have the mini blush and highlighter duo from e.l.f. This is called Spiced Apple. I was really interested in using this shade of blush because I feel it will complement my complexion really well. So let's try it out. Kind of giving me the gingerly vibe of MAC, if you know about it. That is also a very very beautiful blush. It's kind of in the kind of in the same shade range. I love it. Next up, let's test out the highlighter part as well. It's definitely good, but I wish it was a little more blendable. I just feel that it's just sitting where I put it. I would prefer it to be a little more blendable, but otherwise it's fine. The shade is also quite nice. Next up, I have few lip products. The first one is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. Now I have used Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liners before, but this is a new shade that I'm trying. This is the shade Feisty Brunette. Now if you guys have seen my previous videos on YouTube or Instagram, you know that the lip liner I use the most is the Pillow Fight from the same range, and I absolutely love it. It is a very beautiful nude, very soft peachy pink lip liner which suits I think every skin tone. It's the perfect one. This one is a nude brown, a very light brown, very skin like. So this is also quite good, but I think the pigment is not seen that much on my lips. But let's see how it looks like after I've applied a lipstick. Now for lipstick also I have a new one, which is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. Pale rose kind of a shade, which I really love, and this is something that I had been looking for a really long time. I love it. This is the perfect shade that I was looking for, guys. I'm so happy I found it. This is a mauvey pink, mauvey plus dusk rose, you can say. Absolutely love it. Okay, this is called Rosy Sunday, in case you guys want to try it out. Next up I have two more things. This is the Renee Lip Gloss Pink Pow Wow, and this is the Elf Sheer Sleek. I think this also is kind of a gloss. I actually forgot. Let me open it and try it. The packaging looks so cute. Okay, this is a lipstick. Now since I have already applied a lipstick, I don't want to apply one more on top of it. You won't get the idea anyways. Let me just swatch it for you next to this one. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty pink color, everyday pink color. It's quite glossy, quite creamy. So I don't know how long lasting this will be, but the shade is really nice, and I think it is going to be very comfortable on the lips. Next, let's try the Renee Gloss. This is also so cute. It's tiny. I hope it's worth the money. Not bad. I think I like it. So this one has a pink tint to it. There are other shades also available if you guys want to check it out. So that's it, guys. I have finished showing you all the products that I bought recently. I wanted to try out some new products. I had been using the same makeup for a long time, so I wanted to experiment, and I'm very happy I bought them. Also, you guys let me know which product you like the most and which one you already have or maybe plan to buy it after seeing my video. I would really love to see your comments below my video, and see you in the next one. Bye.